Hello kids, welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn alphabet from A to Z with your favorite YouTube Kids channel. Let's start with some colors name. Pink color, black color, red color, olive color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, brown color, light green color and green color. Let's start. Brown color. A for aeroplane. Blue color. B for bat. Yellow color. C for cow. Light green color. D for doll. Olive color. E for egg. Pink color. F for fox. Black color. G for goat. Purple color. H for hen. Red color. I for ice. Green color. J for jar. Brown color. K for kettle. Blue color. L for lamp. Yellow color. M for moon. Light green color. N for net. Olive color. O for orange. Pink color. P for pen. Black color. Q for quilt. Purple color. R for rat. Red color. S for sun. Blue color. T for table. Green color. U for umbrella. Brown color. V for vest. Yellow color. W for water. Light green color. X for Xerox. Olive color. Y for yolk. Pink color. Z for zebra. Let's again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching for next video. Thank you.